Imagine becoming a millionaire while earning a low salary. Sounds impossible, right? Wrong. It's a common belief that to become a millionaire, one must have a high income. That idea is nothing more than a myth. Can you picture it? A millionaire who isn't a top executive, a celebrity, or a lottery winner. It might be hard to believe, but it's a reality for many people. The truth is, achieving financial success is not exclusive to those with high incomes. In fact, it's possible for individuals with low salaries to amass a fortune given the right strategies. The key lies not in how much you earn, but in how you manage what you earn. It's about budgeting wisely, saving diligently, and investing smartly. It's about making every penny count. So the question isn't, can I become a millionaire on a low salary? But how do I become a millionaire on a low salary? The path to $1 million isn't paved with gold, but with discipline, budgeting, saving, and investing. It's a common misconception that you need to earn a high salary to accumulate wealth. But the truth is, your income is just one part of the equation. The other part is how you manage your money. Budgeting, for instance, is a powerful tool that helps you control your spending and increase your savings. It allows you to understand where your money is going and make adjustments where necessary. Then there's the magic of compound interest, a friend to anyone seeking to grow their wealth over time. When you save and invest wisely, your money begins to work for you, multiplying exponentially in the long run. And let's not forget the potential of side hustles. These extra income streams can significantly boost your journey to financial success. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, but how much you save and invest. Now meet John. John was earning a low salary, but today he's a millionaire. He wasn't born into wealth, nor did he win the lottery. His journey to financial success was paved with determination, smart financial decisions, and a whole lot of discipline. John started by setting a clear budget, ensuring he spent less than he earned. He saved relentlessly, putting away a small percentage of his salary each month. He circumvented unnecessary debt and lived within his means. But saving wasn't enough for John. He wanted his money to work for him. So he educated himself about investing. He started small, investing in low-risk exchange traded funds or ETFs, and gradually diversified his portfolio. To boost his income, he also set up a side hustle, turning his passion into profit. John's story is a testament to the fact that becoming a millionaire on a low salary is not just a dream, but a reality that can be achieved with determination and financial literacy. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future and become a millionaire, even on a modest salary? Let's review what we've covered. We've debunked the misconception that only high-income earners can turn into millionaires. We've furnished you with tools and strategies to accumulate wealth, budgeting, saving, investing, and side hustles. We've narrated an uplifting account of someone just like you who turned a modest salary into a seven-figure net worth through perseverance and smart financial choices. Now it's your turn. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel to become a part of a community wealth builders. Share with your friends who are also mapping their route to financial freedom. Remember to click the notification bell so you won't miss our wealth building content. Feel free to share your personal wealth building tips in the comments section below. Remember, with discipline and financial literacy, your journey to becoming a millionaire begins now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and activate the notification bell. Until we meet next time, continue building your wealth.